I love this event. This is the best. I love these guys, and be back as long as they have.
Every year, Halperns brings in all their major suppliers and invites in all their restaurant customers or potential customers to sample their offerings and just to get a breath of what the offerings that Halperns has. It's a fantastic event. Walked through the facility and I had shrimp and lobster and crab, and there's sushi, lamb chops, corned beef. I mean, the food is fantastic, and it's a great way for Halperns to get the word out and to demonstrate what they bring to the restaurant owners. Our involvement, we have been very active with restaurants and retail companies over the years here in Atlanta and the Southeast, and it gives us an opportunity to get our name out and also to meet the restaurant owners and talk to them about how we might be able to work with them.
You would have thought that my heavy heart would have weighed me down to the floor. Who would have thought that my heavy heart could have shaken me down to the floor?
The big business issue that keeps me up at night is growth. How to grow besides incremental year over year, but how to grow a bigger business, whether it be multiple locations or to develop more locations with inside one footprint. Getting the bang out of the buck. My industry is all about hospitality, food and beverage, having a good time, eat, drink, and be merry. That's what we do. So when people have a couple more bucks in their pocket, they feel better about themselves, they go out and have a good time. Right now, I think the opportunities in the restaurant business are to treat your guests like they're guests and to treat them like they're knowledgeable. And the people who are successful right now are giving their guests a dose of hospitality with a dose of better product, and those are the ones that are knocking it out of the box. Lousy places don't last long. I think this event is fantastic. Over my right and left shoulder here, there are some whales and some man o' wars and some rays. In my glass, there's some vino. I had a tequila when I first walked in. I've had 4 different kinds of lamb, 1 different kind of sausage, and 2 different kinds of lobster. So far, so good.